Just like the daytime treatment, my True Energy Restorative Nourishing Overnight Treatment is designed to tackle your most common skin aging triggers and turn back the clock. One key ingredient is the anti-aging superstar resveratrol. It's the same resveratrol found in red grape skins and red wine that's known to protect your heart health. Resveratrol is nature's most powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants help prevent the cell damage caused by free radicals, which ages the skin. But that's not all. This grape skin nutrient has also anti-inflammatory benefits. And inflammation is a primary cause of cellular aging. For years now, resveratrol has been a nutritional essential for healthy living. And recently, skincare scientists have wondered if resveratrol could topically protect the skin cells from aging. In one study, resveratrol was applied to one half of the face of participants and a placebo lotion applied to the other side. After 28 days, the resveratrol showed significant improvement in the overall appearance of the skin. For instance, dramatic lifting was noted around the mouth. Significant wrinkle reduction was also observed around the corners of the mouth and the eyebrows. The laugh lines from the nose to the mouth were less visible. Overall skin tone had improved along with diminishing age spots. And here's an additional bonus. The resveratrol resulted in a significant 36% increase in skin moisture. That's huge. What's more, the resveratrol, even when topically applied, had shown to strongly inhibit the COX-1 inflammation-causing enzyme by almost 50%. It also positively impacted the production of collagen by about 33%. What an amazing breakthrough. It's no wonder topical resveratrol is so powerful for helping women erase the signs of aging, restore skin health and radiance, but that's not all. True Energy Restorative Nourishing Overnight Treatment contains several other skincare discoveries so you can look years younger. For example, CoQ10 to reduce dark spots and visibly reduce wrinkles. CoQ10 is another powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from free radical damage. CoQ10 especially targets and protects the fatty acids, which keep your skin soft, smooth, and supple. Our bodies need CoQ10 to produce collagen and maintain elastin, but as we age, our natural levels of CoQ10 decline. That's why this breakthrough treatment includes the CoQ10 to help replenish what your skin loses with age. Your skin tone can look more even and wrinkles softer for a brighter, younger looking face. Hyaluronic acid to plump and hydrate your skin. When your skin is starved for moisture, it can lose elasticity, which causes your skin to age prematurely. But hyaluronic acid has a unique ability to help your skin hold on to that moisture. Best yet, hyaluronic acid isn't harsh on your skin at all. On the contrary, it keeps your skin plump, deliciously dewy, soft, and smooth. But as you may know, naturally occurring hyaluronic acid declines as we age. True Energy Restorative Nourishing Overnight Treatment restores optimal levels, which gives your mature skin a fresher, younger look. You're really going to enjoy the lush, creamy texture of this richly nourishing and restorative nighttime treatment. What a wonderful, luxurious way to end your evening. And next morning, you'll wake up and notice visible signs of aging fading from view. And best of all, you'll notice these results very quickly, often within 30 days or even sooner.